Alright, so this is the new setup idea. I decided not to run over here because, like I said, everything here sits on a cradle, and I did get some flex pipe. I think it moves around, but after I got to looking, I was like, man, this is just more difficult than it needs to be. So I came up with this idea. So far, I think it's be fine once I get strapped in. I need to repaint this because the paint I bought, it did not look good. It's I guess on camera it doesn't look bad, but in person it's like kind of faded, kind of chalky. So I'm just going to buy better paint, repaint it all later. I'm gonna seal all this in with some caulk, and then that's really about it to do with this. I did mess with some of the wiring. Just stretched a bunch of wires, but now I just gotta clean them all up. I did install the cooling fan. I don't have it hooked up though. Just went ahead and installed it. And then that's really about all I really did, besides push button start and then the key ignition on. And but just for today's video, since this section is done, we're just gonna go ahead and pull it out and see if it runs any better. So got all hooked up. I'm going to turn the ignition on. All right, I heard everything light, so let's see what happens. All right, so either the switch isn't working, start switch. Nope. All right, something's wrong. All right, so I'm not sure why it's not starting, but I did put some gas in it. I'm just gonna jump over it. All right, as you guys saw, I was able to get it running for a second, but now it's shutting on and shutting off, and then I'll start it again, then it shut off. So it'll run for like 5 seconds and just die. So it's definitely an ECM, probably electrical, which I hate. I really don't like doing electrical work. For some reason the switch isn't working either to start a button. So I'm going to, I think the tip over switch, I think it's called, is activating, but I don't recognize that switch, and I haven't seen it, but I do have 3 random wires that I think it might be those. So I'm gonna have to mess with that. But then going back, I did test the starter button I installed, and I tried jumping it and it's not working. So something I did within the past day of moving the wires over, something's not happy. So we will see. I'll just keep working along with it.